Hey there! I'm excited to share with you what I've learned about Azure Lighthouse. It's this nifty tool Azure has for those times when you have multiple Azure customers under one roof. Picture this: a friend tells you they need help managing their servers. You can give them a hand, right? Now imagine being able to not just log in and deploy something for the first client, but also managing that deployment across multiple Azure environments seamlessly because, voila, Azure Lighthouse is around. So what exactly is Azure Lighthouse, you ask? Let me tell you, it's kind of like the Swiss Army knife for enterprise service providers who manage IT resources for more than one customer. Azure got these folks to sign up for Lighthouse because it's pretty much a lifeline for MSPs and cloud teams looking to juggle several tenants' needs without breaking a sweat. But here's where it gets really interesting. We're not talking about managing a single set of resources in isolation. We're talking about a grand coordinated event, like the ballet of cloud resource orchestration, all while keeping security tight as a drum. Let's dive deeper into why Azure Lighthouse is such a big deal, shall we? Managing Azure resources can be complex as heck, especially when dealing with various customers' demands. Enter Azure Lighthouse. It's a tool aimed squarely at this challenge by providing a unified interface. This interface is like your mission control center for multi-client Azure environments. Imagine trying to manage customer resources without any tools like Lighthouse. You'd have to log in, out, back in, and so on for each account. The hours ticking by as you hop from one tenant to another, not to mention the hassle of maintaining strict governance. Or how we've evolved for the better, haven't we? Lighthouse is your gateway to not just speeding things up, but also giving your team better control over the operations, without compromise. As IT professionals, we're all about that life, not cutting corners, right? Azure Lighthouse offers centralized inventory and policy management. This is super handy for keeping tabs on everything and ensuring that all that Azure stuff conforms to the ever-exacting compliance standards. We're talking visibility, automations, and account management all rolled into one smooth operation. Oh, and with Lighthouse's audit trails, you can peek back at everything for compliance audits as needed as well. Now, let's chat architecture. So Azure Lighthouse is built on top of Azure Resource Manager, which is pretty robust on its own. It gets an extra layer between you and the cloud because Lighthouse acts as this intermediary, connecting your admin console directly with the customer's Azure. It's a level of trust here to access customer info, a serious matter, trust me. It's not just about access, it's about access respecting boundaries. Now, I don't expect you to become an Azure guru overnight, but here are some best practices for dealing with Azure Lighthouse. First, understand the role separation. Always maintain a clear distinction between personal access and customer access to prevent sneak peeks. Then, it's about staying in loop with updates and embracing the automation tools that minimize human errors. Lastly, don't be scared of experimentation. Azure offers some cool testing features, like Lighthouse Playground. It's for tinkering to get a feel for the environment. Okay, that's a wrap from my end. I hope I managed to shed some light on Azure Lighthouse, because, believe me, managing Azure ecosystems in a multi-tenant setup isn't anything shy of a Herculean task. Oh, and by the way, if you are eager to delve even deeper, check out more insider info at neeraj.qzz.io. Subscribe for more tech deep dives, right here in my cozy little online nook, TechLab. Catch you on the flip side.